As you know that we cannot go to the computer lab, so I'll be teaching you from here only. First you open MS Word. Okay, so this is the typical MS Word window. Now here we are going to learn three things. The first one, creating a table, then how to move the cursor, and the last one, inserting columns and rows. Just now I taught you how to create a table. Now see how it is done actually. First you select a place where you want to insert a table, and then click on the insert tab. So this is your insert tab. Click here. Once you do that, you will find many options like cover page, blank page, page break, table, etc. But here we have to go for table from the tables group. Okay, so click table. Now here you can see this is automatic. Suppose if you want to make a table of 4 columns and 4 rows, it is already done. Very easy. 3 columns, 4 rows. But we are going for the manual one, that is insert table. So click that insert table. Now once you click insert table, you will have insert table dialog box. This is insert table dialog box. Here you will be having number of columns and number of rows. Here already it is given 5 and 2, but you can change it. With the upper arrow you can increase it, with the lower arrow you can decrease it. So what we are doing is we are taking number of columns 3 and number of rows also 3. Fixed column width. Here the column width will be already fixed, and when you go for auto fit contents, according to your need, it will increase or decrease. Okay, so we will be taking this fixed column width. Now you click OK button. Already your table is inserted in your document with 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay, now whatever you want you can type here. Let's see. In the first column I am typing roll number. In the second column it is name, and in the third one we have got marks of any subject it could be. Now roll number 1, take any name and give the marks, right? Same way you can go for number 2, and here another name of a student and the marks. Okay, so this is a particular table which you have made with 3 columns and 3 rows. This horizontal ones are called rows, and this vertical ones are called columns. So first one, creating a table, is already done. Now we'll be coming to the next one, that is number 2. Now suppose if you are in column 1, if you click the tab key on your keyboard, it will go to the next one. Do you see that? Again when you click tab, it goes to the next one. So when you press the tab key, it moves the cursor to the next cell. Now shift and tab key. Shift and tab key takes you to the previous cell in a row. Now when I am pressing shift and tab key, you can see it is coming to the previous one, right? So with the tab you can go to the next cell, and by clicking shift and tab you can come back to the previous cell. Now the last one, Alt key and home together. When you do that, wherever you are, when you click that Alt key and home together, it will bring your cursor to the first cell in a row. Let us see that. Alt and home together. See, we were here in the third column. Now it comes to the first column. Okay, so this is how you can move your cursor in the table. Now we are going to learn the last one, inserting rows and columns. This is also very easy. Now select a column where you want to insert a column. Now I have selected this one. Okay, now I want to insert a column. For this I have to go to layout. Where is layout? Okay, this is the one. So click this layout. Now this will give you option, 4 option it gives you. Here you can see insert left or insert right. This is all about the column. You can see in the icon. So nicely it is there. Insert left means this one new column will be inserted. So we'll go for this option, insert left. When we click that, you can see your cursor was here in the third column, third row, 98 here. Now one column is created, inserted to the left side of the cell where you had kept your cursor. Now you see here, now I am keeping my cursor here. Okay, now I want to insert a column this side, right side. So I'll be taking this one, insert right. Now you see one new column is inserted towards the right side. Same way you can do, the same process is there. You have to go to the layout. Okay, first you keep your cursor here wherever you want, and then go to the layout tab, and then now we are going to insert the rows and rows. So rows here, I want to insert a rows here between name and bubbly. Okay, so insert below I am clicking. You can see one new row is inserted below. Now suppose I am keeping my cursor here or here, and I want to insert a row just above it, that means between bubbly and Chintu. Do that, click this insert above. Okay, so with this you can insert a row above. So now you came to know that it is very easy to insert rows and columns in your table. First you have to select the place, the cell where you want to insert the column or row, go to layout, and then all the 4 options are there for inserting your column. 2 options are there, insert left and right, and for row you have got 2 more columns, that is 2 more icons, insert above and insert below. So now I think you have understood how to create a table, how to move the cursor, and how to insert column and rows. Okay.